Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in YouTube Studio, so sign in and open the video you want to enhance. Once the editor loads, scrub the timeline to the precise moment you'll add interaction. Make a quick choice now: cards for mid-video prompts, end screens for final CTAs, or captions for accessibility, because classic annotations are gone. This choice matters. It changes where and how users interact. With that decided, click Add and position the playhead at your first insertion point to begin creating the element. Now you'll build the actual interactive elements. For a card, click Add Card, choose Type, Video, Playlist, Channel, or Link, enter text, and set that start time in seconds so it appears contextually. For an end screen, pick a template or custom layout, add video, playlist, subscribe, or link elements, then set their positions and duration between 5 and 20 seconds. Make sure to toggle mobile visibility and test click targets. Viewers on phones need bigger tappable areas. Save iteratively so you don't lose adjustments. Finish by previewing your cards and end screens in the editor, then click Save to publish changes. You should always check both desktop and mobile playback. If an element fails to appear, make sure your channel meets eligibility rules, external links are approved, and you haven't exceeded card limits. Permissions often block links. Once live, monitor click-through rate and viewer behavior in analytics. Give it 48 to 72 hours for meaningful data. Then tweak timing, copy, or placement to improve engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.